guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Precision 4. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown at our way. And I just want to thank all the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this. So thank you. And let's get into it. So today, we've got to look at the Nike Precision 4. We've got this in the blue void white racer blue colorway. We got this in the UK 7.5, European 42, and it is a US 8.5. Comes in the orange athletic sportswear box, so you know it's built for sports. This one in particular, built for basketball. Here it is. We'll look into it and I'll let you know at the end if this is worth the money. So we'll start with the outsole. So it's an all rubber outsole unit. Got the traction patterning here, circular pivots. Obviously that's there to help you, with your isolation moves. Moving on to the midsole unit. So this midsole is a Phylon midsole. It's a foam. It's unfortunately no air unit. There's no air zoom. So when it comes to the cushioning, you're just going to be relying on the insole and this midsole, this foam midsole. As you move along onto the upper, so this upper is a knit upper, and you've got a lot of heat pressed plastics on here, so you can see it at the toe. You can see it at the swoosh that is on both sides, here on the lateral side of the sneaker. If you look into the medial, you've got knitted swoosh there, and it comes in this really easy colorway, this navy blue, and the midsole unit is actually in a racer blue colorway. As I mentioned, this sneaker is an all knit. There's no like fly knit, fly weave technology, unfortunately. As I mentioned, this is your entry price point. This is your entry level kind of basketball sneaker. And what I'm really surprised actually is how nicely cushioned the heel is and the tongue. So you got a normal lacing system. The tongue, as I mentioned, is nicely cushioned, and you got the Nike branding here. If you look at the heel, all you've got there is the cushioning and the Nike swoosh. And on the insole, there's barely any branding. Yeah, there's no branding on the insole, but it's there for your cushioning and your support. I like how nicely cut this ankle is. It's there for the mobility for your ankles. You're gonna have to take my word for this. We have not recorded any footage of me playing basketball, but I would say I'm pretty fast. Obviously I'm that point guard position because I'm 5'8" on a good day. And I really need to use my pace. I need to use my skill moves, my isolation moves, so I can see how helpful having these low cut ankle collars are. Now we have done the sneaker reviews of your Kyries, the KDs, and obviously Jordans, but in regards to performance wise, I do like using a PG4. We have done that review. The Kyrie was really good as well in terms of traction, because you had the multi-traction that elongates onto the sides. And unfortunately, the traction patterning here is only found on the forefoot and on the heel, not really on the middle. And as I mentioned, I'm a point guard. I like to rely on my pace and trying to get plays. I don't think that this can support a lot of your dragging when you drag your feet on the lateral side, because there's not really any traction support here. So I think that's going to get worn out. But you can see it elongate on the medial side where your big toe would be. It's up here. But as I mentioned, a lot of people, they'll be using their jab steps and whatever. Hopefully this midsole unit can support that. So I'm going to try these on. I have high hopes for these sneakers, and I will let you know, because this is a really great price point, because obviously people are paying over £120 That's here in the UK, obviously, over £120 for a player edition. So your Nike, Kyries, your KDs, the PGs as well. LeBron's are way more, but hopefully this, has every bang for your buck. So I can't wait to try these on and let you guys know how I feel. Roll that footage of me try these Precisions on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. When it comes to Nike, I am a UK size 7.5. This is the right fit, although it's very tight, so I feel very compressed here, but my toes are where they need to be. Obviously, without the Air technology or Zoom Air, I'm not surprised. These aren't really the most comfortable. I'm not getting a lot of response or cushioning because it's just a foam midsole. But if you're able to play through the non-comfort, I guess, these are a great steal for £65, where player lines are almost double the price. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.